In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new DocType in ERPNext. This process is a fundamental part of customizing your ERPNext experience, allowing you to tailor the system to fit your specific business needs. Let's walk through these steps together and ensure you understand how to effectively create and manage new document types. First, we'll begin by navigating to the ERPNext dashboard. This is your central hub where you can access all the features and functionalities of ERPNext. Once you're on the dashboard, the easiest way to proceed is by using the search bar. Simply type in New DocType. This will quickly direct you to the page where we can start setting up your custom document type. Now you'll notice a form that requires some essential fields to be filled out. Let's start with the name field. Here, you should enter an appropriate and descriptive name for your new DocType. This will help you and your team easily identify what this document type represents within your system. The next field is Module. This is crucial because it determines where your new DocType will reside within ERPNext. Think about which module logically aligns with your new DocType. The options could be Custom, HR, CRM, or any other module available in your ERPNext setup. Selecting the right module ensures that your documents are organized and accessible at the appropriate places. An important option you'll encounter is Custom. You might wonder whether to check this box or leave it unchecked. If you plan to save this DocType in your files and you need it to persist beyond simple, quick changes, you'll want to leave this unchecked. This means you'll need Developer Mode enabled in ERPNext. Simply put, Developer Mode gives you more control and flexibility, but requires a bit more advanced setup. Ensure you assess your needs and setup capabilities before making this decision. Once you've set these basic settings, it's time to add fields to your DocType. You'll see a Fields table area where you can click Add Row. This allows you to define the structure of your DocType by specifying which fields it should contain, such as text, dates, etc. Carefully consider what information you want captured in your new DocType and add rows accordingly. Next, if your new DocType has specific permissions or other options you need, this is the stage to customize those. Setting permissions is all about controlling who can view, edit, or manage this DocType within your organization, so ensure you reflect your company's operational practices here. Finally, after double-checking all your entries and settings, you'll click Save. This is the moment where all your configurations take effect. Your new DocType is now created and ready for use within ERPNext. Congratulations! By now, you should feel confident about creating DocTypes in ERPNext. With this knowledge, you can further customize ERPNext to better align with your unique business processes. Thanks for following along, and happy customizing!